Fish on? Ryan got fish on, guys. What is it? Yeah, in that rough water. Fish on. Woohoo. Smoke. Fish on. Got him. Hi, Jamaican shore fishing guys. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, it's another epic adventure.
Big up on ourselves.
Me and Clark Legacy 876 ready for push out, and we are good on the line, guys.
We're out here and we're going out there.
He might tell me about the vibes we are going down the line, and him get a phone call from a barra. Barra say, hey.
Barra say evening bite, so we are going to link him in the evening.
So we are give him a little page in the evening, guys, and go and dial up his number and see if we can hold it.
Yeah, man.
So
hopefully we see him, because he's a boy I love move around and not stay one place too long. So
and
we want to link him, and
yeah.
then we introduce him to him.
So hold on a second. As we sitting here, guys, I just thought about this a while ago. Excuse me, but did you see the post that I posted recently?
Which one?
The challenge of the lure fishing gods.
No.
Oh,
remember seminar on phone, man.
Oh yeah, his phone's been down, so you haven't been able to see.
Yeah, people may join my phone.
Yeah, challenge of the lure fishing gods is coming up soon. We're gonna give it a couple of weeks because Jonathan's still in school. Jay-Z Fishing Adventures Jamaica, Hartman Adventures, Kemroy Fishing Adventures.
So I kill to kill people.
And Clark Legacy 876 and Jamaican Shore Fishing, of course, coming up in the lure fishing god challenge. So, yo guys, stay tuned.
I kill people, that you say?
No, we're putting it together. I just thought you seen the post and
no, because I think a competition.
I thought it was a little warm-up thing today.
Because many bounty killer and up
Yo.
People dead.
Yo guys, stay tuned. Me and Clark Legacy 876 I'll push out. I don't want to get too late.
Yeah, we want to reach it by at least 3:30.
Bro, you know I brought light with me just in case because I know how you are.
No man, I know night fishing, man. No night fishing.
Alright guys, stay tuned. We'll push out. Alright? Jamaican Shore Fishing. Clark Legacy 876. Stay tuned. Outside. Not really what we expected at all. Water's really brown and dirty. I'm wondering how far out I'm gonna have to wade out in that dirty water and go out a bit. Water was shallow dirty, man. That breeze is kicking this way hard. Would have been better to cast from that end coming this way. No good shore fishing, no good. Not good at all shore fishing. Brian, we're better off going to the cove, bro. Water's real shallow for my shallow diver. I'm gonna have to run a top water spook. I'm gonna change this off, guys. Dirty water, guys, running red and white. Water's kind of dirty, not what I'm used to. But just change my lure. Put on this top water lure on there, guys. Let's see what we can pick up. Yeah, me and Brian just walking. This weather's not the greatest in the world, guys, but got a decent cast on that a while ago. Want to get out to that blue water, but I'm gonna have to get wet in order to do that. Yeah, that wind is kicking ass. Definitely kicking ass, guys. And to get out to the blue, you have to get wet. You can see it. Yeah, you're gonna have to get wet in this brown a bit. Getting off that weed. Trying to get out there in that blue. How deep do you want to go? Working that red and white top water lure in here, guys. Coming off the reef. Let me see if I can get out a little bit further out this way. Create that little ruckus from the lure. Getting slapped by these waves. Brian's going all the way down, guys. I gotta catch up with him in a second. But because I got that hit a while ago, I'm just trying a bit longer. Alright. Nothing. Get him all the way out there, guys. So yeah, guys, the weather is not the best, but we try to make do with it. I got a hit from a long jaw in the blue there a while ago. I don't know if this coloration over here is going to give us much, but I'm following Brian and trying to keep up with him right now, and he's on a fast move. I thought he would have fished out these depths a little bit more and worked this area a little bit harder, but I guess he's just skipping the bullshit like what I always do. Because he knows this area, this is his turf. So, working with him on his turf, came making after a barracuda today, which that didn't pencil out very well, guys, as you can see. I don't think we're going to hit him in this weather, and if we do, he's a greedy little bugger. That top water lure will definitely get anything's attention. Many things there: snapper, barra, jackfish, long jaws. Don't go for it, guys. Fish on? Ryan got fish on, guys. What is it? Yeah, in that rough water, guys. Damn, guys. Yeah? Guys, we changed spots. Don't come over here to the river, me and Brian. I gotta shorten this lead, it's kind of long, but let's get these lures in there. Lure swimming amazing. All right, let's get ready to rumble. Right there, perfect. There's snooks in here. What up? Hardware no open. So we casting these spots. But I'm always used to casting. And it got deeper and deeper that it's harder and harder to climb down there. Fish on. Woohoo. Snook. Nope. Nice snook. Got a fish on, guys. Look at that. Snook already, guys. Got a nice size snook too, look. Let's take a look at this snook. Look at him. And Brian.
Compared to what they can get to.
I know, they get big. They get pretty big, guys. Look at that. We're gonna let you go. Huh? We're gonna let you go. You lucky Brian's here tonight. You're a lucky fellow today. You're a lucky fellow today. Brian. Brian saved you. Brian saved your life today, you little mother flower. I can't take Brian nowhere. Look in the mirror. Look, someone want to block the camera. Look where around there, though. Crab. Goddamn crab. Every time this man say crab, he can't just left the damn crab alone. He must tap and come out. Sure. Shore fishing. We're going to try the crazy. Fox Legacy 876 Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Crazy shit that we do, guys. Let me get down here. Yeah, bro. See what's up, guys. Yeah. Trying ain't the damn word. I said trying is not the word. So I'm shot in the leader, yeah. Too long. No, my leader is too long. It's not going to give me an accurate cast like I want with such a long leader. But the reason why I was using a longer leader was because I was using the big rod with this line. And I just took it off the big rod and started using it just now. So yeah, so kind of shorten this leader a little bit. Give me a little bit more better flex on the control. See? Perfect. Go ahead, get a cast under there, bro. I want to get a cast on here. Perfect. Yeah, that was Brian. Oh shit, I got chased by a snapper a while ago. He grabbed after it. He didn't. Damn it, boy. Where boy is that? I know you in here. Normally hitting 2, 3, 4 U's. Eh? What that? I normally catch them over there, over here. Yeah, long jaw over there, so man. Over here, so fish on. Got him. Haha, Jamaican shore fishing. This is another species, you know. This is the biggest this one get, you know. This is a river species snook, you know. Totally different species snook than what I caught a while ago, you know, Brian. Look, this is a river species. It's a different one. So you know that Jamaica has 5 species of snook, right? So now this is a totally different species, Brian. The other one gets bigger. Those are the saltwater version ones. Look, you see the difference? Okay guys, so hell no. That look like to you guys. Look at this, guys. So the last one I caught was a little, but almost the same size. Well smaller than this, and this one's fat. Yo guys, look at this. This, yeah, hold on. This one's a totally different species, guys, than what I caught before. Take a look at this, guys. Look at the line. Look at that line that he got in him, and the fin colors and everything else. So Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Jamaican lure fishing, guys, outside. Knew one of these suckers was here. Knew you was. Brian, this one's going home. Yeah, buddy. What you say, Brian? Huh? Yeah, there is. Alright, let's get you down there, buddy. I knew he was in here, man. And there's more of them in here. Normally I'm hitting 2, 3 of them, man. Not just one. Alright, let's get down there with Brian, guys. Boom. The chartreuse lure is no joke when it comes to the snooks. They love it. They love that yellow for some reason. I just got hit a while ago again. He missed. Alright guys, we're gonna close this video like this. Clark's Legacy 876. Brian is in his car, I'm in my car. So we drive separate cars because we don't end up splitting up anyways. So yeah guys, so that's it. It's getting dark. I've done caught 2 snook. The other one is a different kind of species snook. I end up keeping that. That's a river snook. And whatchamacallit, let go of the other one that I caught earlier upstream. So that was 2 different species of snook that we caught in that river, guys. And now me and Clark's is heading home and we're gonna call it a day. I'm waiting on Brian to pull out of that little path, guys. Kind of bad road, so I'm not leaving. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing, thank you guys for joining us. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch your ads.